So food is done. The kids will eat in a minute. But next I have to clean my bathroom. I cleaned my room yesterday. This counter is a mess. And I also have to clean the shower. I do have a face mask because I put some products in there. And my husband's usually the one that helps me scrub the showers, but he's not here. So I have to do that. And what else? Pass the vacuum and mop in here. So that is what I'm gonna do before I feed the kids. They ate lunch, but I cooked pretty early, so they'll eat in a minute. And yeah, let's get cleaning this bathroom. Let me show you guys a quick little Dollar Tree haul. I went to Dollar Tree and they had everything avocado. So this is a jelly mist, facial cleanser, a facial mask, and this is an eye cream. So I wanted to try this out. This mist, I tried it twice and it's really good. It smells really good too. And also they have a bunch of mink lashes that are amazing. So I got like 5 pairs, one that just fell, but if you guys see these lashes, go get them. They are amazing. And yeah, back to cleaning. So house is all clean. It feels amazing. Kids already ate. I'm not really that hungry, but I have a little snack right here. And then I'm gonna go to my daughter's room, and she has a diamond art thing that I got her. And this time we got like a big one. So I'm gonna go and help her in there. Just spend some time with her because it's been really boring, you guys. I've been like in my last pregnancy weeks, and quarantine is still acting up over here. In Florida, it just rised up again, so there's really not much to do. So I got her another diamond art thing so she can just be entertained. And yeah, right now I am gonna have a quick little snack. Let me show you. I have some almonds, string cheese, and some apples, and a cold water. So that is what I'm gonna have for lunch. Oh, and it just feels so good to have a clean house, you guys. Feels so good. And yeah, we're just gonna relax here today. Maybe I'm gonna put a movie on later on as well. So yeah, let me enjoy my little snack, and then I'll show you guys the diamond art that my daughter decided to pick up. So see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so this is the diamond art my daughter wanted. They had a bunch of different ones, but not really some cute ones. I mean, they had some flower ones and stuff, but when we seen that they had Mickey Mouse, they had it like in the other side. This was in Hobby Lobby, and she has done all this just a little bit yesterday and most of it today, and she put some parchment paper so it doesn't like roll up and get all messed up. But yeah, look at how big this diamond art is.
That's not all the beads. I have a whole bunch.
Yeah, there's a bunch of beads. And I'm gonna help her a little bit so we can just...
Wait, use my hand.
Look at how small that is. Her hand is so small, but this picture is like so big. So she's gonna be here for a long time. I'm just gonna help her a little bit. But I told her to take her sweet time. She doesn't need to rush. Just when she's bored, she can pull it out and have a little fun over here. But how cool are these? So fun. But yeah, let's do a little bit of this. She did a lot today. Now we're gonna go up towards his little feet. But as soon as this is done, we'll show you guys the final product.
Which
but
is
in a couple of days.
in July.
Yeah. So yeah, it's really cute, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. We're just gonna have some fun over here. So